Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hazitul Ain binti Hazizan, metric number S62508. This is my first assignment subject ACT 3501 Accounting Information System. Context diagram. The highest level of data flow diagram. Provide a summary level view of a system. Show the data processing system inputs, outputs, sources, and destination. Transformation process. The processes that transform data from inputs to outputs. Data sources and destination. The department that send data to and receive data from the system. Data flow. The flow of the data into or out of the process. Know from explanation that purchase order, receiving report, and invoice enter the account payable at different time, so we should do separately. This diagram show purchasing department sends purchasing order to account payable department. Next, receiving department. Receiving department will send receiving report to account payable departments. Third is vendor. Here means vendor send invoice to account payable department and SNS will make a payment and remittance advice to the vendor. Lastly is management department. Account payable department send account payable report to Susan. Data flow diagram. Level 0. There are 0 meaningful decimal points like 1.0. Some data inputs and outputs have been excluded. Data sources and destination. Data sources means the entity that produces or sends the data entered into a system. Data destination. The entity that receives data produced by a system. Transformation process. The action that transforms data into other data or information. Data flow. The movement of data among processes, store sources, and destinations. Data store. The place or medium where system data is stored. From this, we know that vendor send invoice to the account payable to record that payable. After record the payable, account payable clerk will filing it into account payable file and vendor invoice file. The next department is purchasing and receiving. This diagram means purchasing department send purchase order to account payable department, and receiving department send the receiving report to account payable department, and then account payable department collect and store the purchase order to purchase order file and store the receiving report in the receiving report files. After that, from review the account payable vendor invoice, purchase order and receiving report, SNS make a payment. This is show that when it is time to pay, the account payable clerk retrieve the vendor invoice, attach the purchase order and receiving report, then make a payment and remittance advice to vendor. This is show that process of files paid invoice. For this one, as shown, record the check in cash disbursement journal. The last process is preparing management report. From the account payable ledger, account payable clerk prepared the account payable report and send it to Susan, that is management department, to find it chronologically. Document flow chart illustrate the flow of documents and data among areas of responsibility within an organization. Flowchart symbol have four categories. First, input or output symbol. Second, processing symbol. Third, storage symbol. Fourth, flow and miscellaneous symbol. Terminal, a beginning, end or point of interruption in a process and used to indicate an external party. Document, an electronic or paper document or report. Document or processing flow, direction of processing or document flow. Paper document file, file of paper documents. Manual operation, a processing operation performed manually. On-page connector, connect the processing flow on the same page. Journal or ledger, paper-based accounting journal and ledger. flowchart, I will use a basic flowchart template. First of all, we know that in account payable processing have three departments involved are account payable department, Ashton Fleming as controller department, and Susan as manager or owner. So I will make the three table. For the title, I will write SNS account payable. First column, I will write account payable, next controller, and the last one owner or manager. For the explanation, we know that purchase order, receiving report, and vendor through invoice sent to account payable department at different time as separate alphabetical file. So from this, we will connect the two connector department. Here means purchase order, receiving report, and vendor invoice come from purchasing department, receiving department, and vendor. After that, account payable department store purchase order and receiving report file separate alphabetically. From the vendor invoice, account payable clock record account payable and then store vendor invoice in vendor invoice file alphabetically. After that, account payable department match that three document and SNS make a payment. Account payable clerk forward the match document to Ashton Fleming at controller. Here means after account payable clerk forward the document to Ashton review the document and prepare two part check. Then Ashton forward all the document and check to Susan. Ashton also record the check in cash disbursement journal. Here means that Susan review all the document and sign the check. The first check Susan forward to vendor, and the others document she returned to the account payable department back. Okay, here means the account payable clerk files the document alphabetically in PIC invoice file. Here means from the account payable clerk make account payable ledger and then prepare it every month and use it amount to make account payable report. After prepare the account payable report, clerk will forward it to Susan. Here means Susan review the account payable report and file it chronologically.